Hope you love that beautiful intro. Hey guys, I'm Vezio and I'm back again with another video on how to theme your desktop part 2. Previously I did a video on how to make your desktop look aesthetic, and now I'm doing a video on how to theme your desktop to look like Mac OS. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, what we need to do is press the start button and create a system restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can restore back to the previous restore point that you just created. So just go ahead and click on create, then enter the name of your restore point. I'm just going to go ahead and type in this. For your PC to create a system restore point, as you can see, it says restore was created successfully. Now what you have to do is go on to the link given in the description. You will see a link which says download the theme and the wallpapers. So just go ahead and download both of them. And yeah, once you are done with that, once you've downloaded the pack, all you need to do is go ahead and extract it. Now go on to your taskbar and right click to open up taskbar settings and turn on automatically hide taskbar in desktop view and in tablet view. After extracting, you will get something like this. Go back to the folder. Now go on to Sierra for Windows 10. Go to themes for 10 build 14.3.93 anniversary update and copy everything that is in the folder. Now go on to your PC where your Windows is installed. And all you need to do now is just go ahead and open the Windows folder. Now go to resources and go to themes. Now what you have to do is paste everything that you copied here. Once that's done, go to the desktop, right click and go to personalize. From here, click on themes and save your current theme if you want to switch back to it later. After saving your current theme, go ahead and enable Sierra. Now go back to the folder that we downloaded once again and set one of these wallpaper as your background. This will stop the slideshow and will set only one wallpaper. Now go to the folder which says 7tsp GUI 2019. Rename the .ee file to .exe. Click yes. Now go back. Press F2 to rename. And once you're in the rename, just remove the .remove. Just remove the .remove text. And you should be left with 7z or a zip file. Now go back to 7tsp GUI and run it. Give it administrative rights and click on add a custom pack. And here you have to select the 7z file which we just now renamed. Click open and it will take some time to patch and it will install all the icons. Click on start patching and it will do the rest of the job. Once that's done, just click on exit the patcher. Go to macOS folder and go to Nexus this time and install Nexus. Select your language and click OK. Click I accept the agreements and click next and install. Now go to MacPack icons once again. Go to extra icons folder and copy it. Now you have to go to Windows C or wherever your Windows installed and paste it right there. Now go ahead and open up Sierra for Rocket Dock. Open Sierra for Rocket Dock and now select all of these folders and copy them. Now go on to your documents and find a folder which says WinStep. Now go to Nexus, go to backgrounds and paste all 4 of the folders that we just now copied. After that, refresh, go to your desktop, go to your start button and open the Nexus app. Click on the Nexus button. Now go to the themes tab and select one of these themes and click apply. Go to advanced, under maintenance, click on restore. Now open the folder, the skin folder. and open up mac.wbk. Click apply and press OK. You can remove or add any icon or application to this dock just by right clicking on it. Right click on an icon and click remove from dock or insert a new item to the dock. Now, once you click on insert a new dock item, you can select what kind of item it is. Is it an application, a module, or an internal command? Select the item type, program, folder, internal command, module, item separator. Give it a name. Browse through your file manager to select the file where it is installed. After clicking OK, you will see it is added to your dock. Now go ahead and download and install Rainmeter from the link given in the description. Install it. Go to the macOS folder once again, go to menu bar and copy nr yosemite menu bar. Now go to documents, go to Rainmeter, skins and paste it right here. Now go to start button and run Rainmeter. Once you run Rainmeter, you will see this bar at the top of your screen. You can click on the hamburger menu to edit its settings. You can play around with it and see what works best for you. And now in order to restore back to your previous theme or to uninstall this theme, follow whatever I'm doing on the screen right now. There are two methods of doing it. First one is simple, just restoring back to a certain point of time. And the second one is uninstalling each and every software one by one. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to stick around for more videos like this by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.